How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to build muscle step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you build muscle? There's two things that have to happen for muscle growth. One, you have to eat in a caloric surplus. This is non-negotiable. You have to do this. You're building something new. So you have to eat more than what you have before. Must eat in a caloric surplus. Doesn't have to be 1,000 calorie surplus. It can literally be 250 calorie surplus. That's what I recommend about a 250 calorie surplus. That will allow you to gain 2 pounds of muscle a month. The next step is you have to get stronger in the gym. Progressive overload. You got to do more than what you did before last time. It doesn't have to just be adding weight to the bar, which is the simplest. You could be adding reps, adding sets, decreasing time between sets, increasing range of motion, adding exercises. It doesn't matter. But usually the main thing that we do is add weight or we add reps. So those two things must occur. You must eat in a caloric surplus. You must overload in the gym, progressive overload. You do these two things over time, you will build muscle. Here's the thing though, it takes a very, very long time to build muscle. Now, the people that can build muscle the fastest are the beginners. If you've never lifted weights before, if you do everything correctly in 1 year, you can add about 20 pounds, 24 pounds of muscle. That's the first year. The second year, your second year of training, the most you can expect is about 12 pounds. Then the third year, about 6 pounds. The fourth year, about 3 to 5 pounds. After that, you can maybe gain 1 pound of muscle a year. Here's the thing. It's very, very, very hard to do if you're natural. Like I did it for 16 years. I'm still doing it, and I've added probably 50 pounds of muscle, 55 pounds of muscle or so. So you can do it, but it does take a very long time. But those are the two main things that you need to happen. You need to eat in a caloric surplus, and you need to progressively overload in the gym. You do this every day, you will build muscle. Also, make sure to rest. Get on an actual training program that allows you to rest. A lot of people, they'll train 7 days a week. This is really, really bad. Do not do this. Get on an actual proven routine, and they'll have all the exercises, all the reps, the sets, and all the days off that you need. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.